Minus 12.4 Celsius last night. Not to be outdone though, Benson in Oxfordshire, minus 8.4 Celsius, and a hard frost here as well. But at least there was some sunshine into central and southern areas through the morning. It's still pretty cold out there, and temperatures even into the afternoon, perhaps just a couple of degrees above freezing, with some stubborn fog perhaps into the West Midlands and to the east of Wales. We have seen a little bit of showery rain, but a tad milder down to the southwest and for South Wales as well. There's a fair amount of cloud across North Wales and northern England, just adding to that grey, cold, drab feel to the day. A little milder with a few isolated showers brushing the fringes of Northern Ireland. Cold though into the far north of Scotland, and yet again we're going to see those temperatures really falling away. Some places won't have climbed above freezing, so a hard frost likely here into the far north and also into central and southern areas. So I wouldn't be surprised across the north if we keep some cloud, the odd spot or two of rain, and here perhaps temperatures holding up a degree or so above freezing. But we'll be talking the feel of things again tomorrow and the numbers. Minus 12 Celsius, not out of the question again in the Northern Highlands. Ice could be an issue. The colder feel further south, just pushing a little bit further south and west across Wales and the southwest. Minus 7, not out of the question. Ice and potentially some fog could be an issue. Freezing fog tomorrow morning. If we get that, some of that really will be slow to lift away and pretty hazardous out on the roads. Tune in to your BBC local radio station. So plenty of January winter hazards out there first thing. Throughout the day, the best of the sunshine into southern and western areas. Always further north, we see a little more in the way of cloud, particularly running in off North Sea coast, the odd spot or two of rain. 2 or 3 degrees here, the very best. A tad milder out to the west with 6 or 7. Now, fog could be an issue first thing again on Thursday morning, but again, central and eastern areas seeing the best of the drier, brighter, albeit chilly weather. Out to the west, though, and indications of what's to come. A southerly wind, more rain, introducing slowly but surely some mild air across the country. Perhaps the exception, East Anglia and the extreme southeast corner. So on Friday, some really wet and windy weather for a time, pushing in from the west. But look at the numbers. Double figures out to the west, pretty chilly into the east, 5 or 6 degrees. Once that rain clears out of the way, less cold for all as we head into the weekend. Simon.
Louise, thank you very much. Now a reminder of our top story.